Start tonight with breaking news. 3 people have tested positive for coronavirus in Cascade County. The City-County Health Department released the news and the description of the patients this evening. One is a male in his 50s, one a female in her 50s, and the other a female in her 20s. All 3 had reportedly engaged in recently in international travel. The health department had this to say, quote, "We knew that Cascade County would eventually have confirmed cases of COVID-19, and we've been diligently planning a long time for this. We know that community exposure is limited and localized. Even though we understand no one wants to hear that a new virus has shown up in our county, residents should rest assured that the CCHD and our partner agencies will act out of an abundance of caution," end quote. You can find a link to a map showing all of the cases that have been confirmed by the state on our website. A major concern right now across the country is a lack of medical supplies for health staff as they fight the threat of coronavirus. In Montana, the state medical officer says there is more than one plan for how much to distribute to each county.
We have lots of plans in front of us. We're thinking A, B, C, and always thinking about if it goes this way or that way. And we're ahead of the game in a lot of ways because of learning from our colleagues that are in other cities around the country and even around the world. So there's a lot in place as we work forward and see where the virus goes. Our first goal, though, is not to have the virus here at all.
We are constantly assessing facilities all across the state, trying to get their sense of their PPE, making sure that we have testing supplies throughout the state, and that's where a state like ours, we can lean on one another and try to share some of the resources.